Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the switch and unplugging any adapter. This prevents shorting. Next, remove the controller's screws with the correct tri-wing and small Phillips bit so you don't strip them. Once the shell is open, inspect the analog module for dust, gunk, or cracked plastic. These cause drift. Use compressed air to clear loose debris and note whether the potentiometer cap or PCB shows wear, because that dictates whether you clean, realign, or replace the entire module. Now you clean the potentiometer and nearby contacts with 90% plus isopropyl. Apply gently with a cotton swab and let it dry, because residue causes intermittent connections. Then reseat any ribbon cables and ensure the joystick shaft sits square in the gate. Misalignment creates off-center inputs. Once reassembled enough to test, power the switch and go to Controllers and Sensors, choose Calibrate Control Sticks, and follow on-screen prompts. This tells you whether drift was mechanical or calibration-based. If calibration and cleaning don't stop drift, you replace the joystick module. Use OEM or reputable third-party parts because cheap units fail fast. Once swapped, reassemble and test inputs for at least 30 minutes in menu and in a game to confirm stability. If drift remains, inspect solder joints and traces on the PCB. Cold joints or cracked pads recreate symptoms, so reflow or swap the board if needed. One troubleshooting tip. If drift appears only in one direction, check for debris lodged under the gate before replacing components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.